Hey, what's up guys? Rev here. Now I'm sure that every person watching this video has been exposed, at least at some level, to the disease that is cancel culture. Dissatisfied with their lonely and unfulfilled existence, pathetic homunculi push their virtues and morals upon people with a self-righteous attitude that they believe justifies their obnoxious and often insincere behavior. I'm actually convinced that the participants of cancel culture aren't even offended by the things that they attempt to cancel. They just want to use it as a chance to gather clout and attention because it makes their 2 inches feel powerful and important. Now, some companies have responded by telling these people to piss off. However, others have attempted to appease the loud minority by catering to cancel culture. A great example is Patreon. A while back, I made a video about Patreon's attempt to suspend and ban artists who made not safe for work art involving anime characters. To make a long story short, they said that any anime character with a quote-unquote innocent face was a child, and making not safe for work art of it was against the rules. While I regret to inform you that recently, Patreon has been lowering the bar even further. Now, I had heard a few rumors about this before, but now it's been confirmed by many accounts at this point. Patreon is not only enforcing the rules on the content you post on their website, but they are also monitoring your behavior and posts on other social media websites. Like a crazy stalker ex-girlfriend, your friends over at Patreon will do their best to check up on every post you make on all your social media accounts to make sure you're behaving. What's even crazier is that they see your behavior on other websites and then apply their standards to determine what is appropriate or not, and ultimately, whether Patreon will end up punishing you or not. Now, you have to understand that for many artists, Patreon is their main source of income, and no, there's really no good alternatives. So when they decide to not only start virtue signaling about certain art styles, but also apply those standards to actions by creators on other platforms, that's too far. Patreon really needs to stay in their lane on this one. It's funny how much of a hard-on they have for anime and related artists when you can find comparably mature content with real people on their platform with no problem. With this video, I hope to make people more aware of this, because it not only ruins many people's entertainment, but also unfairly impacts many talented creators' livelihoods. That's about it for this video. See you guys next time.